Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So this video is a collab with me and my little cousin Kayla Renee. I'm gonna leave her information in the description box and the comment section so you guys can go and follow her. So I'm doing her hair, and at this point we're in the store looking for accessories for her hair and whatever else we might need for the hairstyle. Okay, so we got beads, we got ornaments, those are the little gold accessories, gel, brushes, you need rubber bands, and some hairpins would be helpful. We didn't have any hairpins, but we made it work with what we had. This is the look that we're going for, well, the one on the left. And I added a little bit by putting, some braids, not braids because I don't know how to braid, but some flat twists to the side. I don't know what you call those, but it's kind of African inspired. So I parted a little section to the side, and then I did a flat twist from the back to the front.
So you just push this through, and then you're gonna put the braid or the twist through this hole here and pull it through.
Then I pulled some of her hair over the bead and then put a rubber band to secure it. The front section was again all flat twist because your girl doesn't know how to braid. Yeah, I'm ashamed of myself, but yeah, I still don't know how to braid. Not well. I mean, I think I can do a little thing now, but I'm still not wearable. So all of this, I'm gonna do flat twists in three parts here, and then the end of it is gonna go up into the bun. Then I'm using a gel. I don't remember the name of it, but it's a gel that she uses. It's one of those that's really sticky, but it really holds the edges down. And then I'm doing the baby hair.
Oh, Trudy! We pranked his stepdad, and he whooped. Oh my gosh! Trudy, you gotta see the video. You probably feel bad for her. Because we did the broken TV prank. Remember what I was showing you? Yeah. He spanked her.
Oh my gosh, he did?
I felt so bad.
You just something at the wall, and then
Yeah. I have to show you.
no, she couldn't even y'all. All you see is
I felt bad.
she was
I had to show you the video too. He said, Journey, you broke the TV.
Journey was like, no, you didn't have time to explain.
Played, yeah. He just went on TV.
You didn't have time to say that thing. You'd be like,
Play with black parents.
He didn't even like let us say who did it.
We're done.
You gotta show them shit. Show them.
Let me do, turn the camera around.
Take a seat. And the end.
Edges laid. Show the bead.
Yeah, at the end.
Kurt.